July ni sang ni somni paru breaking news. The ceasefire is over. US le Iran inkahhai ang puat kha atop anin do chunzom le to don anin do le mek to zok tu na hian awahan pui le don rem em.
We begin with the latest from West Asia. Just hours after the United States launched a major wave of airstrikes across southern Iran, Tehran says it has retaliated with missiles and drone attacks.
Anin beile lui to don itu na hian mo asan chu Iran lampang khanin long pathum Strait of Hormuz kal tlang tum tu te kha an lo be ani kha United States chuanin inkahhai kan pon MOU sign kan tum bo chiat na ani ti in United States lampang chuanin Iran chim lama hmun poimo tak pathum an military installations ang chi ho khamo an sipai hmun poimo tak kha be mai ani chuan Iran in nge kan ti chuan an chang let vele ngam an do let vele ngam drone le missile mangin Trump pan helai hian ka hmu che mo it's over aron ti helai hian it's over helai hi it's over Trump declares end to Iran's ceasefire hemi ti himo deal omzi omlo hun khoral na me ni ti ni kan soi zawzel main he kan en holo kang
Blackberries zarkota limited time 50% discount kal puimek ania suit neruko the blazer kolum laya hak nom half lining le linen puan quality chale lokan neya kamis formal le casual kolum laya hak nom le fan tak te kan neya Mizo tengai na drone formal pants semi formal pants le casual pants fan tak kan nei renge take kokle caution genuine leather underwear mozale handkerchief thing in discount price vek indu than kan neya Blackberries zarkot aizol
Blackberries zarkot aizola tuna hianin discount kal puimek ani le
Targeting American military facilities in the Gulf. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps says it targeted the US 5th Naval District in Bahrain.
US 5th Naval District kan target anti ni Iran lampang hian mo United States lampang po hian in kap na khop maya amaro chu Iran hian engtin nge tun thleng hian thil ka chu tur nei hindi nge ral thuam ka chu tur ala nei ti hi ke chon in makkati ani hetiang hi thil ani chon mo tuna hian in Iran lampang hian in khameneya vuina an mangmek Donald Trump pan Iran be na tur Iran laka be pui thak le na tur order thar apele to tuna Trump hian mo United States te World Cup atangin an tafel to chuan tuna hian in Trump hi nei to summit aten turin a zinmek Turkey tangpon ti hian rang control mo mai Trump hian
And Ali Al Salim Air Base in Kuwait.
Kuwait Ali Al Salim Air Base Iran lampang an be ve bokani he thil hian nge sin chuadon kan ti chuan US lampang hian anron beilet vele nghal don Iran te himo
The IRGC also claims it shot down a US MQ-9 Reaper drone that it says was attempting to interfere with the operation.
Iran lampang so kan operation na minti boy tumtu United States Reaper drone kan kap hatel bok ani antia Iran lampang so heting hian in claims and same statement chun siam ve na sakhop mai dikna chen po om veang masa United States a Central Command lampang po hian in Iran hi an chu ve de usep mai ani NATO chief te pon tuna Trump na US abe tura hi chu an support leta hei takahi United States lampang te hian politics an khela hi keini lampang hian kan lo man phalo deu emni oti hi kangai to chho chan ta ani
Now following the attacks, air raid sirens sounded across Bahrain and Kuwait. The Kuwaiti military said its air defense systems were activated to intercept what it described as hostile missiles and drones.
Kuwait le Bahrain an zone air defense system an activate chanzu US in sipai hmuna na ya Kuwait le Bahrain an air defense system ten khang missile local te khalo intercept turin han an lo activate ta ani ti choni thil pakhat ni chena United States te politics khel kan man phalo de mo khati khamo United States te Donald Trump te chuan news khan in an puang ta ani tiang hian beile mai atha Iran hi I be chun zom le mayang u kap dar vek lo ang u ti in news tam takin khatiang khanin an ron puang loi ya chuan news te po khanin an soidan chuan in United States an sipai ho tu te officer te pon Trump he tiang hian in enge thil ti thei ang kan be don chon hetiang hin kan be theyang ti ang chi plane te pokha an va pe ma se news tam takina an puan dan chuan Donald Trump chuan in sipai chakna lamman ri lo atha atia Iran te ne na thata kan in berem thei ani chuan chu tu du thu sa mani ma se atul ani chuan Iran hi kan kap theireng kan bom dar vek theireng ti in Trump pakha na soyani ti in news channel te hian an soi thin ani khata tak khanin khovelin Trump an mudan an ngai dan kha adang lam chho ve ta zela Trump chuan in hetianga indo na cho cho ai chuan in rem na thatak han in soifel hi adu zok don ni na lang ti ngai dan nei kha kan tam nuwa hetiang hianin Iranina longan low kap United States ina an Iran an kap let de hi mitam tak chuan in a om an ti hliat to ani atira United States le Donald Trump ate dem na sadeu kha tu da chuanin zia deuh hlekin mitam takin Iran ho hi chu dilan lo har sa ani hi hetianga United States ina tuna Iran an kap le te po hi anti om ngoi anti ani hi tinga ngai dan ni kha an lo tam le ta dai mai ani chu mi politics chu ni tina ka soi khamo ke ni lampang hian in kan lo hre thiam lo zok te hi a ang riau hian ka ria.
Neither the United States nor Gulf authorities have confirmed damage to the targeted facilities.
Iran lapangina facilities po mo tak an va target kha ta hanin thil ti chhe ta om lo engman la confirm lo ni.
This Iranian retaliation marks the latest escalation in a rapidly worsening security situation across the Gulf.
Tuna hianin boruak hi mo a thalo chak lu tungani thalo chak lutugani kan hre thiam phak bak in thalawang ei Mizoram ate chonin FIFA World Cup boruak in min luan he khop maya khatianga ni lai khan boruak hi a thalaw ne Trump pe chonin ceasefire kha atop to inkahhai kan puan atop to timak.
And it comes even as Shia Muslims in Iran and neighboring Shia majority regions prepare for the burial of former Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei.
Khamenei hi phum an tum lai vel hian hetiang hianin Trump ate chonin ma an lo la ani Trump ate hian mo du chuni se khitianga Khamenei ate an vui lai te pokhe bom dar rak thian ga ring ani.
Was killed in US-Israeli airstrikes in February.
Hey, Khamenei coffin ani o Khamenei kwang elai a kwang om ve tat a choi moi ve tat le next kan le tong le.
Iran's this military response came after the United States carried out its largest operations since the ceasefire agreement was reached last month. US Central Command says its forces struck more than 80 targets across southern Iran.
Iran chim lama US lampang hianin target som riat chuang an kap fu ani thama sa khanin United States le Iran te chon official takin MOU in rem siam tora MOU khan sign ta a dai rai ha kal ring lo re nga ti ra chang khan a chan chu pakhatina ka chon dangin kap vele chuan tuna hian Israel te hianin Hamas Gaza lampang a be pui lo thak ve boko chu wang chuanin Israel po tianga a che chho zel chuan US po le Iran te po tianga an che chho le zel ani chuan ama ang din huna bok han kan le chho le don in wa ang ve.
Washington says the strikes were a direct response to the attacks, one on 3 commercial ships transiting through the Strait of Hormuz. The US Department of War accuses Iran of endangering international shipping and says the operation was designed to reduce Tehran's capability to carry out further maritime attacks.
Strait of Hormuz local tangte nakina be anto zel to lo na turatan le Iran ina khatianga abe theina tur capability khati niam ani theina turatan United States te chon hetiang hianin ma kan la ani antiani heya poimo achan chu Strait of Hormuz atang hianin khovel mamo oil hi an ron phur chuak khat maya atinga Iran ina an du an lo control ve hi hi a thalo ka tia chu wang chonin United States lampang ina hetianga Iran in ti thulu tuk tura hi chu han tu dai ve deu se han bom le deu pop mai se hi chu a thave in ka ring ani ve ana ngai dan chete ngai dan molte ni chu.
NATO chief Mark Rutte too has justified the latest American attacks on Iran.
Well, I think it was absolutely necessary.
Hey, Mark Rutte, hey NATO chief.
When you have a ceasefire and Iran is basically violating the ceasefire, we've seen what happened yesterday with ships being attacked.
Kati kamo NATO te himo atira ha chonin United States is supporting Indona hanan telvak dulo amara chonin NATO chief berin United States te thil ti hi anti om ngoi enti ni chancho inkahhai puan lai rengin ti hianin Iranin Indo long pon hi lo bungro phur long ang chi te lo kap le rengota chu wang chon United States te thil ti hi a om ngoi aron ti ta dai maya ne.
I think it is totally crucial that the US forcefully reacts.
Iran has strongly rejected that justification. Its top military command has described the US strikes as a blatant act of aggression, warning that any attack on Iranian territory would be met with a crushing response.
Iran ngai dana sonin Strait of Hormuz kan thu ni to chu wang sonin kan duan kan control thei tur ani hetianga United States in a miron kap ringo thi enge aggression Indo cho chua an tum na kan ngai an lo ti dei mai ani Iran lampang chuan in Strait of Hormuz an long an ka kha an thele du to chuang mi lo ve ana Iran pohimon mak ve ngot mai
That warning has now been followed by action.
Major MOU violations by the U.S., violating Iranian adjustments in the Strait, persistent threats of
kha kati khamo Iran lampang hian in Strait of Hormuz an ta nga an ngaya khatiang ani wang khanin an du ti theanga anin ngaya wang khan longkal te pon lo waka pringota United States chuan in MOU kan nei kha ngatinge khatiang in bo chetan tian ka let pon Iran lampang chuan in
Missiles fired, US bases targeted, an American drone reportedly shot down, and the ceasefire under growing strain. The confrontation between
kami kha news poimo zual tuna US na Iran te inkahhai top puan top ceasefire top to kami tuna ron in ka chole toy si kim siang ron report thei chu ani US lampangin Iran chimlama target somriat chuang an ka phuba Iran lampangin Kuwait le Bahrain lama United States hmun poimo tak kha an ka vebok Bahrain a chuanin US Navy 5th Fleet District timani chuan Bahrain a chuanin airport poimo de pakhat kami khan target vebok ani tin Israel lampangin Gaza Hamas laka beipui lo thak vele mek bok khatiang kha tuna Middle East bo ruak ron hot chole ani video le kan in mole theu don ya